In this video, we're going to do a physical comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro. Now, do they look the same? So let's take a look at the front here. Now, at the front, they do appear to be quite similar. So it has the dynamic island here and here with the front camera. So both are running on iOS 26. So it's keep asking me to do airdrops. So here I will log into the screen, and that is the front view. They both have speakers at the front. This one here, iPhone 16 sorry, has a little speakers at the front right here. You can see it, whereas the iPhone 17 Pro, you can't barely see the speakers. It is there, but it's very fine, very thin. It's very hard to see, but on the iPhone 16 Pro, it is more visible when you are looking at it. Okay, so looking on the side here, we got the action button, the volume up and volume down button. It looks very similar. Both have a line running down at the top. And then here at the bottom, we have the SIM tray. So the iPhone 17 Pro has a SIM tray further down near the bottom, whereas this one near the middle. And you can see the dot here. Oh, that's where you insert the SIM pin. They are in the opposite side. At the bottom, you got loudspeakers and microphone. So you got same. They're very similar. There are more holes here on the iPhone 17 Pro. Here you only got 3, here you got 5 holes. Both have USB-C. Right here, both of them have USB-C. And they all have the same pentalobe screw. And moving to the right hand side. Now they both have this camera button and the side button or the power button. Very similar position. I would say they're in the same location as well. So if I compare, they both look very same. So looking at the top down, almost the same size. Looks like it's the same size. So if I look at this way, in the back here, it is almost exactly at the same size on both of them. And at the top here, there is a line on the iPhone 16 Pro, whereas iPhone 17 it doesn't have a white line, a running line down here. Now moving to the back, the easiest way to identify it, if it's iPhone 17 Pro or 16 Pro, is the camera compartment. So here we have a big compartment running all the way on both sides. Whereas on the 16 Pro, there's it only takes up one corner. So here you have a small hole here. I assume this could be the microphone button. I don't know. We'll check it out later to see what this additional button is. It's there. Could be a microphone. Similar here. There is a button over here on this side, and you got the sensor button and the flash buttons. The flashlight at the top right here. So that is the comparison between the two, and there is also a small compartment down here at the back. Now on the iPhone 17, there is a curve. It has a curve on the side. There's a curve running down on the side here, whereas the 16, it is more sharp at the corner, design less curve. The 17 Pro has more curve on the edge of the frame. And of course, on the 16, it has a titanium filled stronger, more well built as compared to the aluminum on the iPhone 17 Pro. It feels less structure, less stronger. So they both feel the same weight. When I hold it, I can't really tell if one is heavier than the other. They both weight pretty much similar, have similar weight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.